In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0x1 in Modern Warfare 3. So in case you're experiencing this error, here's how you can fix it easily. I have 3 steps over here and I'm going to show you each and every single one of these inside the computer as well, so you can just follow me along. The first one is to try and update your Windows computer. So that might sound silly, however, it could fix the error very well. The way you do this is by going down here to search in your taskbar and typing in update. Then it will say check for updates inside system settings. Just click on this. And over here it says you're up to date, but still, even though it says this, click check for updates. Then wait for a few seconds and Windows will scan for some updates if they're available. If there's an update available, simply make it download and install the update automatically. This will restart your computer, and then when it's back up and once the update has been installed, you'll be able to see that your game has probably been fixed, or at least hopefully. Now, if it hasn't been, and as you can see over here, so you'll get this button over here which says download and install in case an update was found. Press this and it will automatically do it. You don't have to do anything. Now, as I said, hopefully the game has been fixed. If it hasn't been, let's go to step 2. Step 2 is to repair your game, okay? And we're gonna do this inside the settings on our computer under installed apps. So go down here yet again into search and type in installed apps. Click on it. And in here, you will have to look for your Modern Warfare 3 game, okay? I don't have it installed on this computer, however, I can show you the exact same procedure with another app. So, locate it, Modern Warfare 3, you can also search it up here, simply type it in, and then go to the very right, where there's those 3 dots, and it says more options once you hover over it. Press it, and click Advanced Options. In here, scroll down a bit, until you see reset, and it says if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Simply press repair and just wait for a little, and this will kind of repair the app, and then again restart your computer and see if the game works for you. If it still doesn't work, we're gonna try updating our graphics drivers. And the way you do this is very simple. In case you have NVIDIA graphics card, what you have to do is download NVIDIA GeForce Experience, okay? Type that into Google and download it from their official website. It's very simple. Now, in here, then open up the app once it's installed, log in with an account or create one. It's very fast and easy. And then go to the second tab up here which says drivers. In here, press over here on the right where there's those 3 dots and then select the game ready driver. Once that's selected, press check for updates, and this will check if an update is available. For me, right now, as you can see, an update is available. Press download and this will automatically install the freshest driver to your computer. Yet again, then restart your computer, excuse me, and then once you open it back up, try opening the game and seeing if that works. If you have an AMD driver, AMD graphics card, download this software, which is AMD Software Adrenaline Edition. Simply download it from their website. It's very easy as well, and then open it up. And in here, once you open up the app, you'll be able to, yet again, download the newest drivers. As you can see over here, I have the latest version and latest version of my driver, but if you don't have latest version, you'll be able to see an update button somewhere around here. Then yet again, let it update, and then restart your computer and open the game again. And hopefully, one of these has solved your issue. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.